In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can switch your Deliveroo bicycle to an electric bike. If you're a Deliveroo rider looking to make this transition, you'll find this guide very helpful. Switching to an electric bike can provide a faster and more efficient way to navigate the city without exerting as much physical effort, a definite advantage for those long delivery shifts. Firstly, you'll want to visit the Deliveroo Rider's UK website. Simply open your browser and type in their address or follow the provided link to get to the home page. Once there, look for the section labeled Support. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can access all the resources available for Deliveroo riders. Once you're on the Support page, direct your attention to the search bar. Here, you'll need to type in the phrase Change Vehicle. This search will bring up various options and resources related to altering your vehicle of choice. Next, click on the link titled, How can I change my vehicle type? This resource provides the specific steps and requirements involved in transitioning from a bicycle to an electric bike. It's important to read through all the details carefully. Pay attention to any requirements or documentation that may be needed to verify your new vehicle type. This prior knowledge can save you time and hassle later. When you're ready, look for the clickable link on the same page that says, Please fill out the form by clicking here. This link takes you to the necessary form to initiate your request to change your vehicle. Make sure to complete this form with all the required details. It's crucial to ensure that the information you provide is accurate so that there are no delays in processing your request. Once you've filled out and submitted the form, you can expect an email invitation within the next 7 days. This email will guide you through the final steps of officially making the switch in your Rider Hub. It's important to keep an eye on your inbox during this period, as following any further instructions promptly will help you finalize the process smoothly. We hope this tutorial helps you easily transition to using an electric bike for your Deliveroo deliveries. This shift can undoubtedly enhance your delivery experience, making it a breeze to cover more ground swiftly and effortlessly. If you have any questions or face any hurdles, revisit the resources on the Deliveroo Rider's UK support page or reach out to their support team. Thank you for tuning in, and we wish you successful deliveries and a great day ahead.